Y'all hear the birds chirping? It's getting ready to rain. I am still enjoying my landscaping. Not done. I still have some more to do. But this is my most recent purchase. Got to get it in the ground. These are some hostas. So I'm at it. Little hanging baskets. And this hostas, I just put it in a pot. Let me get closer. I just did this when I got off work today. This is the guacamole hostas. I like that. So, yeah. I'm getting it in, y'all. Getting it in. My flower bed here. I'm actually carrying it all the way around to the other side. These are doing real well. These are full sun, different ornamental plants. I really like this. I just completed putting some annuals in that pot. That's my little water feature, but it's no sun, so the fountain's not spouting. Still working on that. I'm going to add some more annuals in there at some point. It's getting ready to rain. This part, look how pretty those roses are, y'all. Let me make it bigger. I really want to cut that top bunch off and put it in a vase, but I haven't even food with it. So I'm still working on this area. I'm gonna carry this no dig around to the other side. Gotta do some trimming of bushes and trees and all of that. But as they say, you know the saying, Rome wasn't built in a day. I did pick up some more stepping stones today. They're still in my car. I haven't unloaded them yet. I just wanted to give you a quick little overview of things. A little overview. So just stay with me on it. I'm trying to wrap this up so I can go in the back and do a project around my air conditioning unit. So I am getting it in. There's some more rocks that I picked up today, and then I got a couple of bags of mulch laying there. So this is what's happening over here, y'all. I may take that rose bush out and move it, put it over on the other side or something somewhere else, because my granddaughter yesterday, she kept sitting here and I was worried that she was going to get stuck by the thorns. So yeah. So anyway, this is going to conclude this video for now. And I will get back with you later.